everybody. We're discussing stepping, of course. GoodFootSteppers.com. Get at me. Online, offline, classes in Hyde Park. We doing the thing. Or as they say, the damn thing. That's how we doing it, y'all. But today's subject is bopping versus stepping. I don't even know where that came from. You got boppers out here that are saying stepping came from bopping. Oh my goodness, there's no way possible. One reason why, because I don't know how to bop. But I sure do know how to step. Check me out. Go ahead. Say what you want to. But that's just the way it is. When it comes to bopping was 6 beat. That's why when they transferred over from bopping to stepping, they wanted to keep that 6 count going for y'all to say, ooh, we had a party, a party, nothing. 8 count stepping, gangster stepping, came straight from the streets. And they come from grandma's house, or auntie's house, or your mother. My mother bopped.